binomial theorem concepts and problems. How to calculate the numerically greatest term. Numerically greatest term. Here numerically greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n, where n is a positive integer. Numerically greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, where n is a positive integer. First one, this is if n plus 1 into mod x, but 1 plus mod x is equal to p, is an integer. The pth term and p plus 1th term are numerically greatest terms. Okay, all of you. But here in 1 plus x whole power n expansion, but here mod tp is equal to mod t plus 1, So, but these two numerically greatest terms are equal. So here we have the 1 plus x whole power n expansion. In this numerically greatest term we have to find, suppose n plus 1 of mod x by 1 plus mod x is equal to p is an integer. Then pth term and p plus 1th terms are numerically greatest term. Mod tp is equal to mod tp plus 1. Next d, if this is n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x is equal to p plus f. P is integer. F that is 0 less than f less than 1. 0 less than f less than 1. Then p plus 1th term is numerically greatest term. Okay, all of numerically greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Here two conditions are there. If n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x is equal to p is an integer, pth term and p plus 1th terms are numerically greatest term, that is modulus of tp is equal to modulus of t plus 1. Means what? That numerically greatest terms are equal. N plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x is equal to p plus f. P is an integer. 0 less than f less than 1 means f is a factor. Then p plus 1th term is numerically greatest term in 1 plus x whole power n. Okay. So next greatest term. If C greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. If the greatest term in the expansion of next, okay, all of you, that's all. The greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, where n is a positive integer, n is a positive integer, if the term in the expansion of, if the term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n, so 1 plus x whole power 2n has also greatest coefficient, has also greatest coefficient n by n plus 1 less than x less than n plus 1 by n. So also greatest coefficient is in between n by n plus 1 less than x is less than n plus 1. Suppose if the term, that means term is the greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n plus 1. This is the odd number, this is the even number. You observe there. That is greatest term in the expansion, greatest coefficient. So has also greatest coefficient is in between n minus 1 by n plus 1 less than x is less than n plus 1 by n minus 1. N minus 1 by n plus 1 less than x is less than n plus 1 by n minus 1. You observe here if the term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n has also greatest coefficient, that coefficient n less than n by n plus 1 less than x less than n plus 1 by n. X is in between these two. If the term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n plus 1, the greatest coefficient n minus 1 by n plus 1 less than x is less than n plus 1 by n minus 1. So, okay, all of it. That's all. Here one more problem on binomial theorem. Numerically greatest term in the expansion of 2 plus 3x whole power 9 when x is equal to 3 by 2. We have to find numerically greatest term. Here what is the given expression? 2 plus 3x whole power 9 when x is equal to what? 3 by 2. Okay, this can be written as 2 power 9 of 1 plus 3 by 2x whole power 9. Here n is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, all of you. So here what is p value? P is equal to 1 plus n into mod x by 1 plus mod x is equal to 1 plus n 1 plus 9 into mod x 3 by 2 by 1 plus modulus of 3 by 2 is equal to 10 into 3 by 2 by 5 by 2 to cancel, 5 to cancel is equal to 6. P is equal to what? 6. Then TP plus 1 is a numerically greatest term. Okay, greatest term. That greatest term T7 equal to 2 power 9 already common. This is 9C7. 9C7 into this is 3 by 2 into x whole power 7. 6 is there, whole power 9c. This 6 plus 1, seventh term means this is 6 power 6. Okay, that is T7 is equal to 2 power 9 into, and one more, 9c6 is nothing but 9c3. So T7 equal to 2 power 9 into 9c3. So 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 power 6, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, x value power 6. So 3 to the 6, 3 3 ja, this is 3 into 2, 3 3 ja, 2 4. So T7 equal to 2 power 9 into 2 square, 2 power 11 into 3 into 7 into 3 power 12 by 2 power 12. So this one cancel, and also T7 is equal to 7 into 3 power 30 by 2 is the numerically greatest term in the expansion of 2 plus 3x whole power 9, where x is equal to 3 by 2. We have one more problem on binomial theorem. If 1 plus x minus 2x square whole power 6 is equal to 1 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on plus an x power 12, then a2 plus a4 plus a6 plus so on plus a12 has the value. So here we have given 1 plus x minus 2x square whole power 6 is equal to 1 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on plus an x power 12. So if x is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 2 into 1 square, that is 0. So 1 plus a1 plus a2 plus so on plus a12 equal to what? 0. Equation 1. And x is equal to minus 1 is 1 minus 1, minus into minus, this is plus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then what is the value? 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus 1. This is minus 2 whole power 6 is plus 1. So 1 minus a1 plus a2 plus so on. a12 equal to what? a12 is equal to, this is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is there. Then this is equation 2. Then 1 plus 2 is equal to, this one, these odd numbers are cancelled, only even numbers. 2 of 1 plus a2, a4, a6 plus a8, a10 plus a12 is equal to 2 power 6. This one 5. So 1 plus a2 plus a4 plus a6 plus a8 plus so on plus a12 equal to 2 power 5 means 4 into 4, 16, 632. Then you can take that side, that is, we have a2 plus a4 plus so on plus a12 is equal to 32 minus 1, 31 is the answer. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have one more problem on binomial theorem. The sum of the series 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 plus so on plus 20C10 is. So here you write this is 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 plus so on plus 20C10 is equal to, we have to find this one, the sum of the series. Okay, generally 1 minus x whole power 20 is equal to 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 plus so on up to 20C10. Again after 20C10 this is 20C4 plus minus 20C5 plus 20C6. This one. Here we have the problem. The sum of the series 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3 plus so on plus 20C10. Then you have to write the series, sum of the series is equal to. So here we have 1 minus x whole power 20 is equal to, this is 20C0 minus 20C1 x plus 20C2 x square minus 20C3 x cube plus so on like this. If you take x is equal to 1, then what is the value? 0. So 0 is equal to, this is 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 minus 20C3, okay, and plus 20C4 minus 20C5 minus plus 20C6 minus 20C7 plus 20C8 minus 20C9 plus 20C10. Again the value, we know the formula NCR is equal to NCR n minus R. Okay, by using this formula, this is minus 20C9 plus 20C8 minus 20C7 plus 20C6 minus 20C2 C5 plus 20C4 minus 20C3 plus 20C2 minus 20C1. Again this is 20C0. Why? Because 20C0 is equal to 20C10 minus 20 minus 20. Okay, so this one by using, so 0 is equal to this 2 into 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 so on up to minus 20C9 plus 20C10. You take it this into this side, minus 20C10 equal to 2 of, this is 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 plus so on minus 20C9. So this value is, so what is 20C0 minus 20C1 plus 20C2 plus minus 20C3 plus so on minus 20C9 equal to minus 1 by 2 into 20 secant. Okay, all of you. But in this given expression up to the value 20 C9 is the minus 1 by 2 implies minus 1 by 2 20 C10 plus 20 C10. This value is equal to 1 by 2 into 20 C10 is the answer. Okay, all of you. We understand this one. This is the answer. We have the problem. We have one more problem on binomial theorem. If the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 minus 3x plus 10x square whole power n and is a, and if the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n is b, then so 1 minus 3x plus 10x square whole power n is a sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients in 1 plus x square whole power n is b. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 10 whole power n is equal to a. That is 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is 8 power n is equal to a. In this 1 plus 1, 2 power n is equal to b. So here this is 2 power n whole power 3 is equal to a, but 2 power n is equal to what? b. b cube is equal to a. The relation between a and b is b cube is equal to a is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the one more problem on binomial theorem. That is, if ak is the coefficient of x power k, in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n for k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on to n. Then a1 plus 2a2 plus 3a3 plus so on plus 2na 2n is equal to. This is the problem in previous MSET question. So here how to solve this? We have given expression 1 plus x square whole power n. So is equal to sigma ak x power k, where k is equal to 0 to 2n is given. K is equal to 0 to 2n. So here you differentiate with respect to x. Then what is this? N into 1 plus x square whole power n minus 1 into 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1, x square derivative 2x. So 1 plus 2x. This one equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to 2n and k into ak x power k minus 1. Okay. So if x is equal to 1, you substitute x is equal to 1. Then what we will get? This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. N into 3 power n minus 1 into 3 equal to, this value is k is equal to 0 what? K is equal to 0, that is 0 into something 0. K is equal to 1, that is a1. 1 power k minus 1. So this is a1 2a2 plus 3a3 plus so on plus 2n a 2n. So that value is a1 plus 2a2 plus 3a3 plus so on plus 2n a 2n is equal to 3 power n minus 1, 3 power 1. What is n into 3 power n is the answer. So we have the answer n into 3 power n. Here we have one more important result in binomial theorem. The coefficient of x power r in the expansion 1 plus x whole power m into 1 plus x whole power n is m plus n cr. This is the coefficient of x power r in the expansion of this one. The coefficient of the term independent of x in 1 plus x whole power m 1 plus 1 by x whole power n is, that is m plus n cn. Here two results are there. The coefficient of x power r in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n 1 plus x whole power n is m plus n cr. The coefficient of the term independent of x in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n 1 plus 1 by x whole power n is m plus n cn. These are the important results in the binomial theorem. Okay, all of you. That's all.